Welcome, it's denome. This video is going to be a little bit different from before because you guys were asking me to make a video for beginners. So what would I do if I had $1,000 or $10,000? And in this video I'll show exactly what I would do. And I hope in the future this video will be an everlasting video, so I don't have to make another video like this one. So in this video I will give you access to this spreadsheet, and I will start updating this spreadsheet every week. So every Monday I will update this spreadsheet, and if you can help me to put the thumbs up and as well make a comment down below if you do like this video, so in the future this does get recommended for beginners as well if you think this information is good. So just we can make this video good together, so just that. But in this video I will show you all the picks, and I will give a small reasoning why I have chosen a specific pick on my list. And this, of course, this list could change in the future. So now let's first take a look at the $1,000 picks as well. So first pick here is BAT, or basic attention token. And as you can see here, I have put to buy 0 BAT. And the big reason is that you can earn BATs if you download Brave browser. And you can replace your Chrome browser with the Brave browser to keep all the bookmarks, all the passwords, all the same extensions as Chrome. But Brave browser, it is faster, it is more private, it is more secure than Chrome as well, and it blocks ads online as well. And you can enable ads that are privacy respecting ads to earn these BAT tokens. So when you see ads online, you will earn BAT tokens. So you can earn up to $5 to $10 per month just by replacing your browser. That's why I have Brave here as number 0. And you can learn more about Brave on their website. But if you do decide to download the Brave, I hope you use this link because it's my affiliate link, and it will help support the channel as well. The next pick here is MCO, and MCO is a coin for crypto.com. And here you can see the current value is $4.1, and you should buy 50 of the coins. And the reason is that when you do that, you can get a metal debit card that you can spend your crypto with. So it's a gateway to spending your crypto. And when you ever use this card, you can top it up with any other credit or debit card that you have, or you can top it up with crypto as well. And you get 2% cashback whenever you do decide to use this card, as well as free Spotify. So that metal card is really good. And when you use my referral code as well, you will get $50 for free just by staking MCO on the card. So you do not lose this money. You just buy the MCO and you will get $50 for free as well as this card. So I think it's a no-brainer deal to get this MCO card, and it's really good for beginners as well. And as you can see here with my calculation, you get the $50 discount basically when you use the code. So that's why it's only $155 that you have to spend on the card as well. And you can learn more about the card with these links. And the advanced strategy here is that you can stake MCO to get the card. And you can learn more about the cards on crypto.com/en/cards.html. And you can see all the different card tiers. The 50 MCO card is this slick red metal crypto debit card as well. So here are the bonuses for that. Next one I have here is Bitcoin. It really doesn't need any explanation, but with Bitcoin, of course, it's a hedge against money printing, right? So it's a digital scarcity because there's only 21 million Bitcoin in the world, and currently investment funds are buying Bitcoin, and even governments are announcing different Bitcoin programs. Like Iran, they have like different grants for the companies in Iran to mine Bitcoin currently. So Bitcoin, there's like a game theory going on that because there's so little of Bitcoin left, people want to get it as much as they can. And it is basically the standard for all cryptos. That's why it's really good for beginners as well. And if we just take a look at Bitcoin, you can go to CoinGecko and search Bitcoin. You can go to this trading view window here. And the big thing about Bitcoin right now, why it's so hot, is that it just broke a long-term channel. So if we zoom out all the way down here and we make a trend line down here, you can see that we just yesterday broke this trend line to the upside. So now we believe or many people believe that now is the time for a bull run, which basically means that the price of Bitcoin will go to new all-time highs very soon, maybe within a year or so. So that's why Bitcoin currently is a really good pick. And then Ethereum, of course, it's the standard for decentralized finance. And decentralized finance basically means that you can have banking services without a bank. And decentralized finance also means that there's no centralized body that governs your money. You are always in control of your money. And Ethereum is the most important coin currently for DeFi as well. And there is Ethereum 2.0 coming up. And then all the ERC20 tokens are built on top of Ethereum blockchain. So that's why Ethereum is so important. So if we just take a look at Ethereum, the price is $319 here. And if we take a look at the zoomed out version of Ethereum, you can see that compared to the all-time high, we're still so low here. And it's one of the most important coins, so that's why I'm really bullish on Ethereum as well. And also, if we just take a look at all the ERC20 tokens that we are currently tracked on etherscan.io, you can see that total of 277,000 contracts. So what this means is that there's more than 200,000 token contracts for ERC20 tokens. Of course, 99% are crap, but if you take a look at this, there's so many ERC20 tokens, and all of these are built on top of Ethereum blockchain. So that's why Ethereum is so important. And that's why these are the biggest holds for beginners as well. And you can buy them on any exchange. And one thing to note here also is these advanced strategies. So with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can lend it out on crypto.com or any other service to get a little bit extra yield on your Ethereum and on your Bitcoin, as well as on Bitcoin, you may want to hold it on a separate wallet, maybe a hardware wallet even, but the hardware wallets, they cost a little bit money. So if you only have $1,000 to spend, I maybe wouldn't buy a hardware wallet if I was you. You can just get like a software wallet, like Atomic Wallet or something else. Links are somewhere in the description of this video as well. But here are some advanced strategies. And with Ethereum, there's something like a passive income strategy that you can do when you provide liquidity on Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. So you get money when people transact on the Uniswap exchange if you have Ethereum locked in a smart contract on their platform. So it's a really good way to earn passive income on Ethereum as well. And then there's automated trading strategies that you can do with token sets as well. And here are a few videos where you can learn more about that as well. Providing liquidity on Uniswap is probably the most profitable strategy currently with Ethereum that I know of. So you can watch those strategies there. Then I have Band here. And Band, the price was $3.5 this morning. And I chose to put 50 Band here. So that would be $175. And what Band basically is, you can see it's already pumping. So this video is already a little bit outdated. So I'm sorry you guys missed the pump, but anyway, Band protocol is here. It's like one of the important building blocks for decentralized finance as well. They are something called an Oracle service. And you can learn, by the way, when you go to goingecko.com, you can learn more about the protocol when you go to their website. And one thing which is very important is to always check their Twitter, because if they are active on Twitter and you can see a lot of partnerships going on and stuff like that, that usually means that it's a good project. So Band, they have just announced a partnership with ICX blockchain or Icon blockchain, and they are providing their services to decentralized exchange on ICX blockchain. So you can always check this as well. And I'm not going to go too deep into what Band is. You can watch my video on Band here if you are interested what it can do for you. But with Band, you can earn up to 17% annual interest if you stake it. So again, watch this video if you want to know how to do it. And also, if you buy it on Binance, you can put it on earn plans on Binance. So if you lock it up for 7 days or 30 days or 60 days, you can get starting from 13% annual interest on your Band as well. and it's a low market cap coin, real and high demand currently because DeFi is on really hot right now, and the service that Band offers is important for all the different tokens out there. So it's like a building block for different blockchains, and you can earn passive income with that as well. So that's why Band here is really good, and it just made a big correction as well. So that's why I would pick Band if I was starting out. And the last pick I would do if I had $1,000 is UBT or Unibright. Unibright, again, you can learn more about this if you go to their CoinGecko page, but Unibright basically it's a tool for enterprise, and you can build tools on the blockchain without coding. So they have an interface that companies can use to build different things on blockchain, and it's one of the key components of enterprise Ethereum, or the what was it, the I forgot the name. Well, somebody put the name down in the comments. I forgot the name, but it's important for the enterprises. And again, it's real and high demand, but people don't really understand UBT yet. And even I haven't made a video on UBT yet, which I will do in the future. But it's here. I would definitely pick it up. You can learn more about this on unibright.io or search it on your own. But this is what I would currently pick. And I will be making a video in the future as well. And then if I had $10,000, here is my allocation. Again, BAT would be the same, but with MCO now I would get the $2,000 card, or the 500 MCO card. And again, here the same thing, you get the $50 cashback, and you can stake to get the card. And when you get the 500 MCO card, your cashback will pump up from 2% to 3%. You get the same free Spotify, you get free Netflix as well. You get 6% yield on your 500 MCO per year. You will get access to airport lounges for free when you're traveling, as well as you get extra earn rewards, as well as you get cheaper credit from crypto.com when you have the 500 MCO card. So I think it's a good pick if you have $10,000. So that's why it's here basically number one. And number two, I would pick CRO. I didn't pick it as on the $1,000 plan because with CRO, you need about 18,000 CRO to maximize on its gains. And that's about $3,000 currently. And you can learn more about this again on these things. But CRO, it's a very high yield coin. So you can get up to 30 to 40% annual yield if you do the min-max strategy, which currently is not available for US residents. But even if I would be a US resident, I would still pick up CRO because you can get up to 18% annual yield on your CRO even without the min-max strategy. So it's a good pick in my opinion. And why CRO price? If we just take a look at the CRO price here, if we take a look at the zoomed out version, you can see it's just like steadily going up and up and up and up and up. And the big reason is that they offer this high yield currently, and CRO is actually being adopted by online merchants. So crypto.com, they are building a merchant panel for online shops. And when you spend CRO on online shops like Travala or Ledger.com or any other new ones, they had another one also. What was it? Open Cart or something like that. They have a partnership with that. So when people pay with CRO on these platforms, it's free for the merchant, but you will get cashback in CRO. So they are really heavily pushing towards that, and the incentives currently are super high. And of course, the incentives will not be super high in the future, but right now when they are getting started, the incentives are really high, and I think it's a solid pick as well. And if you can get to the about 18,000 CRO level, then you can get to the min-max strategy and get the really, really, really high yield rewards. You can watch the strategies here. Then again, Bitcoin, again, Ethereum, again, Band. But then I would pick up Band's big brother also. I would pick up Link here. So Link, it is doing exactly the same thing as Band. And one thing that's coming up to Link is staking. And staking is basically when you lock your funds on the on the blockchain, you will earn passive income just by having that coin. So that is coming up for Link, and usually what it means a big price jump for the price of the asset, as well as you can earn the passive income. So this is coming up later this year, as well as Link is the big brother of the oracles like Band and Chainlink, and I would definitely pick it up as well if you had $10,000. And then UBT, again, same thing here. And then I would start picking up some a little bit riskier assets as well. So 2 days ago, I made a video on XIO, and I do think it's a solid pick. It's a little bit on the high risk, high reward area right here, because currently they offer like insane rewards if you provide liquidity on Uniswap, and you can learn more about that on these videos here. But if you provide liquidity with XIO, you can get up to 360% annual reward in extra if you have some XIO. But $200 is not enough to get to these levels. But just as a speculation, I would pick a little bit of these higher risk coins as well in my portfolio if I had $10,000. XIO is just one example of what I would be doing. And because I invested myself into XIO just not too long ago, that's why it's here on my list as well. But this could be a $0 coin, or it could be like a, let's say, $5 coin, and it's currently $0.33. So it could be good, it could be really bad, but it's a good idea, in my opinion, to have some risk in your portfolio as well. And taking a 2% risk is not too bad, in my opinion. And then again, your choices here. You can do with this what you want. So this is basically my picks currently, and I will keep updating this chart every Monday. So if you can put the thumbs up and put a comment down below, and maybe share this video to your friends or anyone that you think could benefit from this video, that could help spread this message. And yeah, that's it basically for this video. Oh, one more thing I forgot to say. If you are a beginner and you want to learn how to make passive income, I'm not charging anything for this, but I have made a playlist where I show all the different strategies how you can make passive income on different tools, staking or providing liquidity, or the min-max strategy, or many other things. And I will keep adding more things here whenever I find solid strategies to earn passive income. So check this out as well. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next video.